Alright guys, so here's how to find large size files on Windows PC and laptop. Alright, so let's get started. First of all you're gonna do is simply go to any kind of browser and simply search for tree size free download like this. Alright, then simply search for it. And then here is the Jam software website. You need to go with this website only, and then on the right upper side you will see free download option. Just go and click on that, and then simply select the portable zip file. You can select this one, or the installer file, you can select that one too. So I will go with the installer and simply go with the download. And then as you can see, it is being downloading. So let me just download it let me just now open up the file. Simply open up and then go with the OK and simply accept the agreement. Next and simply go with the next. It's easy to install this software. So now once you have done it, you need to launch the tree size free app. Just simply open it up. All right, now as you can see guys, we are getting in the C drive. We are on the C drive right now. So if you want to change the drive, you can simply do that. As you can see, it is being scanning the file. So we got a higher usage on the users, and program file is containing 27 GB and the user is containing like 26 GB. So once you have done it, you can simply double click on it and find out which folder is getting the higher value. So for my case, it is getting like common files is getting like 7 GB. So you can select that. Simply, if you don't want this folder, you can simply tap delete on your keyboard to delete this folder like this. You can simply go with the yes and the file will be deleted. All right, then you can change the folder like tapping on the select directory. So I will go with the games. If we select the games, as you can see, Riot Games is getting the higher value or space. So if you don't want this folder, you can simply tap on the delete and the file will be deleted. So that's how you can simply find out which folder is getting or taking up space on your PC. So that's how you can do it. Hope this video helps. If yes, please leave a like and we'll see you pretty next time.